Hey guys, it's Dylan. But just before the video starts, I just want to say subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also hit that notification button so you never miss a video. Okay? Enjoy the video, guys. Hey guys, it's Dylan here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I got two new Star Wars fidget spinners. If those of you are Star Wars fans, this is a video for you. So let's just get started. So the first Star Wars fidget spinner is a R2-D2 one. So here's a 360 of it. And also, see this part here? Take it out and put it back in. It's like a stand. So like spin it in the table. Look at this head. You can see his head. That's the body. And let's spin it. There we go. Yes, but it's hard to do the trick with this one because of the little head. Watch this. See? Wait, let's try it without this. Yeah, it works without this. So, yep, that's the first fidget spinner. So the second one that I got is this one right here. And I forgot the name of it. So here's the 360 look. There we go. And you can see in the back, there's some blue, and there's a symbol right here. And then you can see his lightsaber right here. There he is. Let's spin it. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, this is so good. Yeah, this is so good. Yeah, yeah. Take it. Yeah! Yay! So yeah, that's the second one. Hey guys, I hope you like that Star Wars fidget spinner video. If you do, like the video, subscribe, and notification button. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!